They say men can't do no-bake recipes. Well, I'm here to prove them wrong. I'm gonna start with a whole box of Nilla Wafers that you crushed up. Oops, I missed a few. You're gonna put 1 stick of melted butter over the top of that. Just like Mima taught me. Mima taught me too. No wasting in this house. All right, now that we got the butter mixed in and it's nice and smooth over the bottom, we're gonna let it chill in the fridge while we're doing our next step. We're gonna make our cream cheese layer. Start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We're gonna throw in 1/2 cup powdered sugar in that. And get that nice and mixed together. All right, now that we got that nice and beat together, we're gonna throw in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream with that. And get that mixed together till it's nice and smooth. All right, we get that nice and smooth together. Make sure and get your spatula. Trying to be efficient here and get all the good stuff. All right, so once you have that smooth together, we're gonna bring back that crust that we were cooling in the fridge and put this over the top of it. Baby girl's needing a nap soon, so if you hear some extra sounds, just, pray for us. All right. Go ahead and smooth that over the top of that crust. Oh, look how nice and smooth that is. Okay, got that nice smooth over that part. Yeah. We got 3 bananas that my lovely wife sliced up for me. And we're gonna put 2 of them over this layer here. We're saving 1 of them for the end. Take 2 of those bananas and just get them spread all over this creamy layer here. All right. Once you have those on there, we're gonna go back over to our bowl that we were using. We're gonna throw in 2 3.4 ounce packets of banana cream instant pudding. We're also gonna throw in 3 cups of whole milk. Ooh, it smells good. And then just get that whisked together. It should take about 2 minutes for it to get nice and mixed and looking like pudding. All right, we got that pudding all thickened up. We're gonna put it over the bananas. It's gonna be our next layer. All right. Get that evenly spread over the top of that. And next we got a container of Cool Whip, 8 ounce. That we're gonna put over the top of that. This is not what you would call a healthy recipe, y'all. This is a fun recipe for those of you who want to have some fun and a nice dessert. This is not for eating every day. Enjoy responsibly. Go ahead and get that spread over your pudding layer. Looking pretty good. What you think, sweetie? All right, and then we're gonna bring back those bananas from before. Just kind of get them spread over the top. We got Nilla Wafers on the bottom. We got some Nilla Wafers on top. You can kind of have some full pieces and some broken, kind of a mixture on top of there. All right, we got it nice and spread over the top. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or you can let it chill overnight, and this thing should be ready to try. All right, y'all. Let's see how this turns out. I'm doing this for men everywhere with dreams of making no-bake desserts. So, hope I do them proud. Let's see.
Ooh, it looks so soft.
Ooh, and see those layers and stuff? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Should I try it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I should.
Whoa. It tastes like your Nina's.
Me, Mom. But yeah. Oh, that's like a good southern banana pudding right there. Isn't that right, girl? I did it.